I have a GE gas dryer that's making a buzzing sound, I think whenever it's feeding gas. What might this be?
Hello, I'm David. I'm a tech/owner with 13 plus years of in-home appliance repair experience. I've done over 15K repairs. I'll be helping you today. That's a problem with the gas valve itself or the gas valve coils. It's most likely the coils, so I would start there. They are not strong enough to hold the valve open completely, so it's chattering. Click here to purchase new coils. These are a Whirlpool part number, but most gas dryers use them, including yours, and they are much less expensive than the GE part number. Unplug the dryer. Remove the lower front panel to access the coils. Click here to see a video on how to replace them. Different model, same procedure. Let me know if there is any other information you'd like to know about this, and I will be happy to provide it. Thank you. Our chat has ended, but you can still continue to ask me questions here until you are satisfied with your answer. Come back to this page to view our conversation and any other new information. What happens now? Or, you can reply to me using the box below.
Thanks, it sounded like a bad solenoid, it's nice to have confirmation. One follow-up, it appears in that video, and on my dryer, that there are actually two solenoids. Do I need to replace both, or how do I know which one is bad?
Yes, replace both, the part number includes both. Let me know if there is any other information you'd like to know about this, and I will be happy to provide it. Thank you.
Well, unfortunately that didn't do it. I replaced both coils with new ones, after taking the machine almost completely apart, and I get the same buzzing sound. Argh. Although the panels are back on, it appears to be coming from more toward the rear of the unit rather than the front, where the coils are. Is there anything else that might cause that noise, like the igniter?
Is this happening all the time or just when the flame is on?
Well, it's the strangest thing, it did start buzzing again intermittently and with the same loud sound after the coil replacement, yet only when the burner was on. That was when I tried it with a dry piece of clothing in it. I tried again with a wet shirt in there and it seems to have stopped. Is it possible for the buzzing to have worked itself out after replacing a part? One more thing, it does buzz consistently when it's first turned on, but that's a more stable buzz and maybe normal operation.
It sounds like it might just be a vibration as adding wet clothing eliminated the buzz. And sometimes vibrations will lessen as the unit heats up.
It was definitely an electronic sound, rather than a mechanical one. Regardless, it appears to be gone for good. Thanks again.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.